Okay, so this week's math is about looking at picture graphs and then answering questions about those graphs. So I drew the graph from your first math page, page 541, about favorite dinners. So they already did the voting for you. So spaghetti got 1, 2, 3, 4 votes. Tacos got 1, 2, 3, 4. Chicken has 2 votes, and then meatloaf got 1 vote. And so I made some questions just to show you how to answer those questions in your workbook pages. So the first question is, which dinner is the least favorite? So least means like the smallest number. So which dinner had the smallest number of votes? And the answer would be meatloaf, because meatloaf got 1 vote. The next question says, which 2 dinners have the same number of votes? So I look at my chart, and I can use these lines in my graph to see which 2 dinners end at the same spot. Well, I can see that spaghetti and tacos both went to 4 votes. So my answer to this question would be spaghetti and tacos. And the last question is, how many people like tacos and chicken? So I'm going to count my votes for tacos, and I'm going to count my votes for chicken, and then I'm going to add them together. So for tacos, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write it 4. Chicken, I have 1, 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 6 people like chicken and tacos. You could also just count rather than writing an addition sentence. You could count tacos 1, 2, 3, 4, chicken 5, 6. Okay, so this should help you with all of your pages for this week in math.